President Bongbong Marcos approves the purchase of 40 fast patrol crafts from France. The additional vessels will be used by the Philippine Coast Guard. Some of them will be deployed to the West Philippine Sea as part of the PCG's mix of capabilities. PCG Commandant Admiral Ronnie Gavan said this is the largest single purchase for the modernization of the Coast Guard. Yun. So, sinasabi nga dyan kasi under official development assistance. So, yung 40 patrol boats, tapos yung gagastusin ng or manggagaling yung kalahati ng pondo or some of the pondo will be coming from France government, which is 25.8
French
billion.
government.
French government. Tapos, yun nga, sinasabi nila, some of the patrols or some of the, yung crafts na to will be used doon sa pagpapatrol sa, ano natin, for maritime defense sa West
Tsaka ano
Philippine
rin,
Sea.
tsaka since fast craft ito, response. Kasi
Yes.
kaya kailangan fast craft kasi archipelagic tayo or archipelago, madaming mga isla. So kailangan yung response from island to island is mabilis. Now the bigger the craft kasi, the slower the response. Yung bigger crafts usually ng Coast Guard, pang station yan.
Yes.
Ngayon, pag hindi station, response time, yung fast craft perfect. So we have 40 of these. Smaller, hindi maganda ito pang engagement, pero maganda ito pang response.
Pang response.
Oo.
Kaya nga 'di ba kasi there are crimes being committed also sa dagat, 'di ba? Yung mga drug trafficking, smuggling, illegal fishing.
Yung mga napapanood mo
this
sa
will
movie.
be this will help nga daw curb it.
Mga napapanood mo sa movie tulad ng sa Bad Boys, yung Miami Coast.
Yes.
Pag nagre-respond ng Coast Guard, makikita mo small boats ang pinagre-respond nila when they board drug traffickers.
Oo.
Tulad-
Mabilis
trafficking.
mabilis humabol.
Oo. Mabilis humabol, oo.